This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Murdoch. Welcome to Sure Thing, our premier vacation rental at Chesapeake Beach, in sunny Virginia Beach, Virginia. This great beach home offers spacious sleeping arrangements for 4 to 10 people. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a den with full-size sleeper sofa and upper deck with amazing unobstructed views of the Chesapeake Bay and private access to the beach. A fully updated kitchen with new stainless appliances, stocked cabinets with glassware, serving and cooking necessities, small appliances and washer and dryer to make your vacation hassle-free. Enjoy entertaining your family on the new Trex deck and cooking on the big green egg ceramic grill and outdoor granite counters with plenty of deck furniture to relax in. Fully furnished, no linens or towels are provided, but linens can be rented locally for your stay, or you may bring your own. The home was completely renovated by the owners, and they've furnished it with a lot of love and care and attention to detail. 30-day minimum reservations and available now. Contact agent for showing or booking your family's vacation reservation. We are pet friendly, sorry, no smoking inside of the home. For more information, review the details below.